Hello everyone, I am Odurole Mojibola and you are watching JibbyFem Forte tutorial on Africa TV. Today we are going to be making this lovely footwear which can go on both our casuals, on our native wears. As you can see, we are going to be needing satin material, we are going to be needing some rhinestones, a transparent PVC leather, we are going to be making use of a pair of sole. Just sit back and enjoy. I'll be right back. I'm going to make use of this pattern for the upper. As you can see, it's going to be placed this way on it. So what we do now is we transfer the pattern onto the transparent leather. You create an outline. It may be difficult for us to make use of, for us to see the pen on it, but you can just make sure that you press your hand a little bit on the transparent leather so that you'll be able to see the outline you are making from the pattern. After we have drawn the first pattern, when you want to draw the second leg, you turn it over this way and draw the second leg. Now, you can see what I've come out with. This is what we have. And we are going to use it directly like this. You don't have to sew anything except you want to create another style entirely. But for this tutorial, this is what we are going to make use of. If you look at it, I told us one side is longer than the other. Is what we are going to be having. So for our the satin that is on it that we used to decorate it, you know, we knotted a satin on it. We are going to make use of 12 inches by 9 inches wide rectangular shape. So because we are going to fold it this way, this is, as you can see, is 12 by 9. So what we do is we fold it right side facing themselves. This is the right side. So we fold it this way and stitch it all around. We stitch it. You can create a little opening here for you to be able to turn it inside out. But make sure that you stitch all through. So you can just stitch. Then we turn it inside out from the little opening. Now, you can see what we are going to be having after we have turned it out. This is what we are going to have. So we are going to, I decided to embellish mine with these stones, as you can see. I just tried to tack a stone on it. I don't want to use it to design it. So what we do is place it on it. That we are going to be making use of a wedge sole. I've already wrapped it. You can check the link under the description for you to know how to wrap the insole of the wedge. So what we do next is The gums are dry. All we need to do is to lace it. Through with our lacing. The next thing we are going to do is to apply our gum so that we can sew it. So we apply our gum on the sole and on the hopper too. I'm going to be making use of my transparent gum. The gum are dry and I've preheated it. The next thing is to lace. I always like it when we have these socks inside our shoe, especially with this kind of leather that I used to wrap. It can be a little bit slippery. So I'm going to use this as a kind of socks just to prevent it from slipping away anytime they are wearing it. With this, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. And if you have enjoyed today's tutorial, I want you to subscribe to Africa TV. Don't forget to press the notification button so that you can always be aware of every of our new tutorials. You can always follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram at Africa TV. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at JibbyFem Forte. I'll be expecting your comments and likes. I believe you have enjoyed this. Do have a nice day.
Odurole,